with it. What's up with it, Dave's Racing Channel?
Calm down, man.
Not much. We got Iceman coming up right here with the GMC. Very light little truck with a heavy motor. I got that big thing with me. I'm gonna have to go get it out. I just ordered one. I should have it. I got one. I got that and a GoPro. Hey, okay. I didn't know if you ever needed one. Okay, yeah, that'll be good. You put it up there, yeah. Let me see. I don't know where Funkertown is right now. Figure out a way to just tie a GoPro to the fucking that little shit across the top. We could do something. Just let it hang, man, and catch all the cars. We could do all kind of. I could do all. We're gonna do that podcast Monday for sure. Monday. We got things to talk about. I'm ready. I can't believe they haven't paid this man yet. Oh, really? Pay this man his money. They trying to make him break even. Look out. We got Scott, Victor, Jet Black. This the light. I understand the arguments. I mean, let me see what Funkertown say. What Funkertown at? I don't even see Funkertown. What's up, man? Look out, look out. What happened? His ass. Pop him in his ass. Again? Jeez. Oh, hey, back 20 more, man. Again! Free money! Free money! Pop him in his ass again. I like him. That's my homeboy, man. He'll flat the motherfucker up. Yeah. Yeah, he good. He good the bitch off. Hey, man. He beat motherfucker. I like him. Yeah. Hey, man, stay over here. Yeah. Hey, man, stay over here. Hey, fucking look out. What's happening, man? Mikey about the 010 block. The 010, who got one? Mikey has one. Mikey, you know about that 010 block? 010 block? Yeah. He don't know about that. He don't know. He said 010. He don't know shit about the 010 block, boy. Who on here know about that 010 block, man? I know I gotta have somebody old school, man. My Uncle Ant Town's online, boy. Here, though. Yeah. about that 010. Not 10 though. Oh. Troy say 010 was the way to go. My boy Ethan had 160 over. Was it running hot? Usually when you go that far, you messing up the longevity. Huh? Oh, my bad. What's up with it? Where y'all at? Monte Carlo? I think somebody getting something. Where you at? Where y'all going? Oh, y'all got this side? Hey, he getting a hit. He getting a hit. Look, he getting a back tire. How much? How much? Y'all still want him? You got the other one. How much? Let me get on y'all. I should have got here. Damn, man. Oh, my battery. Oh, that's it. That's it. Huh? I told y'all I was going with him. Man, I told you. What y'all looking at me for? I'm betting on this shot, man. Hell no, man. What's wrong with them, man? They trying to get me, man. They trying to get Oh, shit, man. I'll be having a good time. Hey, excuse me. Let me get back here. Turn my car on. Put my phone on the charge. It's low. Huh? I'm finna go get in mine now. Why ain't nobody doing nothing? Let me see, Malibu to it was 50. Let me see. Dude did a wheelie with one wheel. Dang, I gotta find my damn charger. My battery low.
Hey, look at what you think. Damn, you
spraying out the shop. Golly, my mount done disappeared, y'all. It used to be a mount right there, but ooh, god damn, I ain't got no mount no more.